Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to dive into the landmark Supreme Court case Texas versus Johnson, which addresses the issue of flags burning as the form of free speech. We will explore the facts of the case and the legal argument presented the Supreme Court ruling, which had lasting impact on the First Amendment jurisprudence. Facts of the case: George Lee Johnson burned an American flag outside 1984 Republican National Convention in Texas to protest the policies of the President Reagan. He was arrested and charged in a Texas statute that prohibited the desecration of the venerated objects, including American flags. Legal arguments: the state argued that the flag burning was a criminal act and initiated public anger. Johnson contended that his actions were symbolic speech protected by the First Amendment guarantee for free speech. The Supreme Court ruling in the Supreme Court in 5-4 decision ruled in favor of Johnson, holding that flag burning constitutes symbolic speech and protected by the First Amendment. The court reasoned that the government could not prohibit expression of simply because it was offensive. Implication: the First Amendment protection. The ruling reaffirmed the broad protection of the First Amendment, emphasizes the even offensive speech is protected under the Constitution. Symbolic speech: the case of establishment that action as well as the words can be considered protected speech if they convey a particular message. Legal precedent: Texas versus Johnson set a precedent for future cases involving symbolic speech and limit of the government regulation to express conduct. In conclusion, the Texas versus Johnson is a pivotal case that highlights the importance of free speech and the protection of symbolic expression under the First Amendment. The Supreme Court decision underscores the principle that a government cannot suppress speech simply because it is offensive. The case continues to influence the debates on the broader terms of the free speech and the government regulations to conduct it.